guys, welcome to One Perfect Angel. Today I'm going to be doing a Michael squishy haul, so let's get started. So the first squishy I have is this football squishy. The next squishy I have are these French fries. They're pretty, it's kind of dense, but that's fine. And the next squishy I have is this hot dog squishy. The hot dog is not squishy, it's actually really hard, but that's fine. The next squishy I have is this chocolate cake slice with the strawberry and whipped topping. The next thing I have is this ice cream cone squishy. Next thing I have is this chocolate ice cream bar with like styrofoam beads on a stick. The next thing I have is a chocolate version of that. Next thing I have is a cheeseburger. And it's really slow rising. The next thing I have is a chocolate cupcake. And I'll probably make a video like in 5 minutes after I upload this of the squishies that I'll be selling. So the next thing I have is this baseball squishy. The next thing I have is a basketball. The next thing I have is this like strawberry pudding pie. It's really hard. The next thing I have is this strawberry cupcake squishy. The next thing I have is a strawberry muffin. The next thing I have is a soccer ball. The next thing I have is this strawberry bitten donut. The next thing I have is this vanilla bitten donut. The next thing I have is this purple pudding pie. And it's really soft and slow rising. The next thing I have is this lemon muffin. The next thing I have, which is definitely one of the softest muffins they had, was the purple muffin. The next thing I have is this maroon macaroon. It looks a lot more vibrant on camera. Sorry about like all the squishies there. Okay. I have this pink macaroon. I have this other pink macaroon. I also have this lavender macaroon. And I bought 2, but I sold 1. And I will be selling the squishy. Probably, maybe not, I don't know. And then we have 2 more squishies. I have my waffle squishy. And my chocolate frosted bitten donut squishy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what squishy dares you want me to do and what you want my next video, like another video, one of my videos to be about. Love you guys. Bye.